Welcome to the Screezy how-to video for the iPhone 6 Plus screen replacement. Your Screezy screen replacement kit contains everything needed for this repair. To purchase any of our repair kits, visit Screezy.com. All Screezy screen replacement kits come fully assembled with all the necessary small parts, and each screen is tested in the U.S.A. Let's get started by powering off the device. Using the pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two bottom screws near the charging dock. Using the metal opening pry tool, insert between the screen and the frame of the phone, inserting just enough to get underneath the screen. Work the metal pry tool around the screen if needed to pry the screen loose, then lift to a 90-degree angle. To help with the repair, we recommend magnetizing your screwdriver. You can do so by gently rubbing it on the metal box located in the bottom right corner of the phone. Remember, always be gentle with internal components while repairing the device. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws on top of the upper right metal shield. Set the metal shield to the side. Using the plastic spudger, remove the 4 clips, plugging the screen into the logic board. Your Touch ID is unique to your iPhone. Therefore, we will need to disassemble it from your broken screen and reassemble it to your new Screezy replacement screen. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the home button bracket. Set the metal shield to the side. Use the plastic spudger to disconnect the home button cable connector by pushing it up and away from the home button. The home button Touch ID cable is affixed by adhesive to the screen. We're going to need to gently pry it free. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently wedge the tip of the flathead between the cable and the screen, prying it until it is set free. There is no rush. Take your time and be gentle with this cable. From the front side of the screen, gently push the home button up and away from the front panel. With the new Screezy replacement screen, place the home button back into the home button slot with the Touch ID to the left. With the Touch ID realigned, reset the home button cable clip with your small plastic spudger. With the home button and Touch ID reclipped, the home button shield can be screwed back on using the Phillips head screwdriver. Using your new Screezy replacement screen, we will be reversing the steps now. First, by plugging the 4 screen clips back into the logic board. Place the metal shield back on top of the 4 clips and align the screw holes over the relevant spots on the logic board. Using the magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, place each screw onto the tip of the screwdriver and screw the 5 screws back into the metal shield. With the screen now reattached, we will need to secure it into the frame. Insert the top of the screen into the frame first, making sure the top is secured into the frame before you then go down and around the sides of the screen, securing all sides into the frame. With the screen secure, use the pentalobe screwdriver to screw back in the 2 pentalobe screws near the charging dock. The screen replacement is now complete. You can power back on your device.